So good morning dear students. Yesterday we were discussing about the question answers of the chapter Carry, lesson 2 of your supplementary reader book. Bringing up Carry, we were discussing the question answers. So we were able to discuss only first and second. Okay. So third question is finding good twigs for Carry took a long time. Why? So twigs means branches of trees. So who is ready with third answer? Who is ready with the third answer? Twigs. What is the meaning of twigs? What is the meaning of twigs? Twigs means branches of trees. So Carrie used to take. Carrie really loved. He was really fond of twigs. So it was really a long procedure. It took a lot of time. So what was the reason behind that? Okay, Drishti, you tell me. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, good. So in this answer, it is very much compulsory to write down multi-related word because this word is given in your literature book, so it's better than to write down. What is the meaning of multi-related? It means spoiled. Okay, so multi-related, it means spoiled. That he did not like spoiled twigs, so that's why he has to choose very delicate, very soft, or you can say very tender twigs. So what is the meaning of twigs? You should know it means branches of trees. So it takes a lot of time to find out branches of trees. Okay, so you can put all these points in your third answer. Now let's move to question number 4. Why did Carrie push his friend into the stream? What was the reason? Okay, so Carrie pushed him into the water. What was the reason? To save. What was the reason to save? Drowning. Write down the spelling of drowning very carefully to save the drowning boy. Okay, so who is going to tell me this answer? Who is going to frame this answer? Okay. Ansha, what have you written in fourth answer? Very good, because he alone couldn't save that boy. He was not alone. He was not alone enough to save that boy. So that's why he wanted to take a help. Okay, so that's why he pushed Carrie into the stream. You can write down river also. You can write down stream also for this answer. And this answer should be written using two lines. Now let's move to question number 5. Carrie was like a baby. What are the main points of comparison? Okay. How can you say that he was like a baby? So text me for that. Start sending me text for this answer. What is your opinion? What is your opinion? You send me text for this. How can you say that Carrie was like a boy? So I'll be writing your points here and I'll be appreciating my all dear students who are participating in class. And others who are not raising their hands, who are not participating, I am going to ask them. So get ready with your answer fifth. We are collecting points here. How can you say that Carrie was? Okay, narrator had to teach Carrie. Okay, Janvi has written. Very good answer. Okay, he has to taught few lessons. Okay, Janvi, Akshita, Jasleen. Okay, he was very picky. He only ate soft things. Okay, so from all these gestures, so you have to mention different kind of gestures. From which gestures you can say that he was like a baby. Okay, first point was that he has to be given training. Okay, he has to be trained like a baby. He has to be trained like a baby. Okay, and another very good, he cannot eat itself because babies cannot eat itself, so he cannot eat itself. Okay, other points. Yes, he cannot eat by itself, he steals fruits. He was, it means he was mischievous. He was mischievous, you can say naughty. Okay, he plays like a baby. He plays like a baby. Very good points. I want to appreciate all these students, those who have written very good points. Janvi, he had to be taught a few lessons to become good like a baby. He too played some mischief. He used to steal away the fruits from the dining table. So Janvi, Akshita, Jasleen, Drishti, Anmol, Harmanpreet, Jalashveer, Arshia, Drishti, Arshia, and Mole, they all were writing so well. They all have written so well. So there are so many points that from these points you can frame your answer that he has to be given a training like a baby. He cannot eat itself. He cannot eat itself. Okay, he was very much mischievous. He was very much mischievous. Very much naughty. Okay, sometimes he was also scolded. He was scolded, as sometimes when babies commit mistake to be scold them, so sometimes he was scolded. Look, okay, and he was given punishment. He was given punishment. He accepted that punishment. He accepted that punishment. He was loving. Innocent. How can you say that innocent? Because he steals bananas. He steals bananas, and all the bananas were smashed in the pavilion. All the bananas were smashed in the pavilion. So if he was a proper thief, he would not have kept all the bananas in his pavilion. He might have eaten it. But he was like a baby, he was so innocent. So that's why when he stole bananas, he smashed all the bananas in that pavilion. So from all these points, you can frame your answer number 5. Okay, bache? So who is going to tell me full-fledged fifth answer? Who is going to tell me full-fledged fifth answer? I'll be appreciating that child because I have written all the points in front of you. With the help of all these points, you can pick up the main points and you can frame your answer. Okay, Anmol Singh, you tell me this answer. Anmol. Anmol, tell me your answer. What have you written? Okay. Now afterwards I'm going to move to answer number 6. In answer number 6, Carrie helped himself to all the bananas in the house without anyone noticing it. How did he do it? See, Carrie was very much successful to steal the bananas. Okay, so how, but all the family members, they couldn't notice it. So how did he do? How did he do it? Think over it. Hurry up and start sending me message. Type in chat box. What is your opinion? What do you think? What do you think, बच्चे? Tell me. Very good. Jalashveer has written very good. Arshia has also written very good. Carrie stole bananas from the table near the window in dining room. He put his trunk through the window very much like a snake and disappeared. Carrie used to sneak into the dining hall with the help of his trunk. He used to take the bananas when no one was around. He was very thought that Carrie would have stolen a banana. Arshia, very good. Akshita, Carrie was an intelligent creature. Jasmeet, he did so with the help of long trunk. He would steal the bananas, help on the dining table through the window. Dining single N. Otherwise, the answer is good. Drishti, he used his long black trunk. Anmol, Carrie was a mischievous but intelligent creature. He started taking away the bananas kept on the dining table. He used his black long trunk to steal fruits through the window. Very good. Akshita, Janvi, mischievous but intelligent creature, he started taking away the bananas kept on the dining table. He used his black long trunk to steal fruits. So all have written so well. I really appreciate these students. Very, very good. So you have to tell first that he developed a taste of ripe bananas. Ripe bananas. So where were ripe bananas kept? Near window. They were kept near window. Where? In the dining room. They were kept near window in the dining room. Okay. So the plate where it was, the plate was, the plate was so close to the window. The plate was so close to the window. So he used, what did he use? He used his trunk. He used his trunk to steal it. He used his trunk to steal it. Okay. In this way he was not, noticed. In this way he was not noticed. Okay. So you can pick up all the points. These are only hints, but you have to frame this answer in a small paragraph. You have to tell whole incident. Okay, that how did he develop the taste for ripe banana? Okay, so where was the family keeping the bananas? Where were they keeping? They were keeping in the dining room, and they were keeping it in a large plate. Okay, and the table on which the plate was kept, that table was very much close to the window. So Carrie, he used his long trunk through the window and stole all the bananas, and in this way he was not being noticed by anybody. Okay, beta, clear? This answer is clear. So with the help of this, you can frame your answer number 6. Now let's move to question number 7. Carrie learned the commands to sit and to walk. What were the instructions for each command? Hurry up. These were the points for 6th answer. Now tell me for 7th. What was the command to sit and walk? You have gone through the chapter. Text me, hurry up, type in chat box. In single word, you tell me what was the command to sit. Very good. Guneet and Anmol, Jadash, very good. So dhat, D-H-A-T, dhat. Dhat was the command to sit, and what was the command to walk? Yes, Arshia, what was the command to walk? It was, yes, Mali. Mali. So you have to write down these two. That was the command to sit and Mali was the command to walk. Okay. Now last question we have. What is the master call? Why is it the most important signal for an elephant to learn? What is the master call? What is the master call? It is a strange sound, and so many adjectives are given in your book like hissing, howling. Which kind of sound was there? That you have to describe this thing. To what kind of sound does it resemble? Okay. Then how this sound is made in the ear of an animal? Yes. And why this call is made? So text me for that, bachche. Let's claim answer number 8. Let's claim answer number 8. Text me answer number 8. Okay, Janvi and Anmol. Master call was a strange kind of hissing like a snake and howling like a tiger. It sounded like a fight between a snake and a tiger. The sound had to be made in the elephant's ear. It was a necessary signal for Carrie to uproot trees and make a passage through the dense forest for the house. Very good, Anmol. Okay, so it was basically a strange sound. Which kind of sound? Like a snake and a like a snake and howling tiger. Yes, very good. Yes. Good response. So the master call is basically a strange sound. Okay. So its sound resembles. What does it resembles? Resembles like a hissing. Hissing of a snake. Okay. Hissing of a snake. Okay. And where to be made this sound? In the elephant's ear. In the elephant's ear, this sound is to be made. Okay. And why this sound is so important? Because it gives a signal. Which kind of signal does it give? Which kind of signal does it give? Okay. Because it alerts the elephant. It alerts the elephant when his master is lost in the forest. When his master is lost in the forest. And you can also take last lines of the chapter. Then the elephant pulls down the next tree and the next and the next. Okay, so in this way he starts finding the way. He uproots the trees. He uproots the trees to make way. To make way. Okay, so in this way the or you can say the master of an elephant, he is able to find out the way. Okay, and he can move through the jungle and he can reach straight to your house. In this way it is given in the last, so you can pick up all these points and frame your this answer. So who is going to tell me this full-fledged answer? Who is going to tell me? Only 3 students are raising their hands. What about others? What about others? Only 3 are raising their hands. Now 5. Let me find out which are 5. Arpita, Arshia, Drishti, and Molsing and Jasleen. Okay, now these students are too good. Now I am going to ask other students who has prepared this answer or not. So other students get ready, those who are not raising their hands. Now Arush, wait. Arush, your answer is ready? Arush, you tell me what have you written in this answer? Yes, Arush, what have you written in this answer? No response. Arush is not responding in class. Arush, what happened? Your answer is not ready? Yes, Arush? Okay, Mitul, you tell me this answer. Yes. Okay, good. Arush is saying his mic is not working. Okay. Now, Harmanpreet Singh. Harman, you tell me this answer. Okay, very good. Okay, dear student, you have spoken so well. So today your English homework is that you do all these answers in your fear notebook, and now your syllabus is done. Your syllabus is complete, and from tomorrow onwards we are going to start revision. So you all should be ready with your grammar books and pencils. Tomorrow we will start revision of some of the grammar topics. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.